Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I did a quick Dollarama haul. I'm getting ready to go camping, so I had to go pick up a few things, and of course I got sidetracked and went to the craft department. It's usually where I gravitate towards. So the first thing I got were the coffee filters, and I got those for like using glitter and all that stuff, so I thought it would be easier than to put all over my mats and everything, so I got those. I found some cupcake holders or cupcake cases, and I really thought that was pretty with the black flower. Just open that up. I'm trying to do some crafts. I'm trying to do some crafts when I go camping, so I want to try and find some things to take. So if you have any suggestions on camping ideas or crafting camping ideas, that would be greatly appreciated. And then I bought some ribbon. So this is the silver leaf ribbon, and that's like this gold stuff here, but in the silver, and it's double-sided. I haven't seen that at the dollar store before. I think I've had these before, but I figure I might be able to cut the flower as well and make them little individual pieces. I was making some embellishments this weekend, and I used up pretty much all of my white flour, so I had to get a replenishment. Then I got these alphabet stickers. I got some silver ones, thought those were cute. And then I got the really cute color, the spring color pastel type with the pink and yellows and greens and peaches, and they're glitter. So I hadn't really seen those before, and I haven't really done anything with letters, but I want to start adding some names or letters or stuff or words to some Happy Mail. I picked up these white flowers. They're lace florals, really, really pretty. I have several different colors and styles of those. I picked up this thread, and that's just the regular sewing thread, and it's basically like this stuff that I already use, and it came in different colors, so I figure, you know, dollar store, you can't go wrong, so I bought that. I picked up some more glue sticks, because these are the super thin glue sticks, so they go really, really quick. Then I bought these to have down in my craft room. Sometimes when I'm working with sequin and all that stuff, I like, or glitter and that, like just be able to scoop it to measure and to, you know, make sure there's equal things in there. Or, you know, I like to do bath bombs and that too with my niece, so we tend to use those as well. And then the last pieces that I bought were, I finally found some of the glitter thread, and I thought this would be great Happy Mail pieces as well for some people. Yeah, so that's what I have from this haul, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!